After quite a long time after year, the need to understand that portable applications has become the considerable apparatus to draw in clients and drive deals has enlivened organizations to put resources into versatile application advancement. The versatile first technique comes from the way that the utilization of mobiles assists clients with drawing in with the items as well as permits them to connect and react to what they experience. Be it shopping on the web or talking with companions, versatile application clients remain progressively devoted to their own gadgets for group purposes. The motivation behind why the present organizations, huge or little, are considering having a business portable application is that over half of individuals on the planet utilizes cell phone. It shocks no one that almost 70% of the worldwide web traffic is coming from cell phones. A particularly colossal measure of versatile clients offers a strong ground for entrepreneurs and promoting specialists to construct a reasonable application. A review from a well-known source uncovers that near 47% of independent ventures across the US see the starting of their portable applications as an astute speculation and a productive arrangement for future benefit. In any case, to fulfill the rising needs from clients is an enormous test for both business application proprietors and engineers. Building complex endeavors applications could be a significant jump for fire-up associations who have quite recently wandered a couple of good strides around here. To satisfy the assumptions from customers' side and of shoppers, these new companies require an essential speculation of remarkable exploration capacities, adaptability and rigid work techniques while fostering an application. Here are the absolute most fundamental basics of portable application improvement for each versatile application making new business who needs to become famous in the business. 1. Cross-stage enterprise mobile apps. In spite of the way that any beginning up can accomplish their objectives through continuous from fundamental to versatile interaction, the most ideal approach to hit the imprint in fast endeavors is to adjust to cross-stage application advancement principles. To expound it further, new businesses that begin building applications that function admirably across all gadget stages are among those getting perceived quicker on the planet. From utility, banking and account, travel and booking arrangements directly down to web-based media and internet shopping applications. Current clients are searching for modern applications that oblige the entirety of their necessities, the littlest and the greatest. Thus, the ventures that convey the product items and administrations want to warmly greet those engineers who have elite aptitude to take up sharp difficulties and create multi-office applications intended to work across numerous accessible stages. 2. An approach towards dynamic functionalities. Since big business versatile applications unmistakably mean creating applications with dynamic functionalities, startup industry should chip away at giving top-of-the-line predominant quality applications without any preparation. The end clients of such applications can be business clients or, on the other hand, shoppers. They like to investigate a heterogeneous arrangement of intuitive functionalities like GPS, exchanges, messages, responsiveness, sensors, and even sound video. This should uphold their telephones, tablet, wearable gadgets and IoT associated contraptions. For this fantasy to be genuine, your versatile application advancement startup firm should be acquainted with utilizing right devices, innovations, research capacities and improvement measures. 3. Innovative apps can accelerate startup growth. Presently a days, endeavors will not settle on creating applications that are imaginative, inventive and nicely planned. Corporate enterprise organizations are particularly keen on having an application that assists them with interfacing with their clients and address their professional or substantial physical design. They request dynamic application choices for dealing with their record and clients, following their online conduct, or making a rich web-based media for improved degree of commitment. With enormous number of applications being created and delivered each day, it is significant for portable application advancement startup industry to offer shape to a compelling result arranged application that befits all extent of organizations and gets most extreme clients. 4. Discern the clarity of your goals. Realizing your objectives advance your vision and assists you with creating applications that hit the exact problem area and change into a momentous example of overcoming adversity. Characterize and put out your last objectives where you need to reach with the goal that you can make an unmistakable technique and keep away from disarray down the way of improvement. When you know about the result, it gets simpler to confront the difficulties down the line. The essential objective of having an application is to enter the current advanced market, draw in clients and lift deals number. Appropriate examination. Itemized investigation of the item and target crowd assists you with building a powerful application. Discover the genuine conduct of the objective market and patterns that are warming up, which will in a way decide the socioeconomics of end clients, business clients or adolescents or youngsters. Line up with clients' definite necessities so you will actually want to coordinate with the created item consummately with the imagined item. Trial of similarity. In the event that you are en route to construct an immaculate portable application, ensure it is viable across all stages and gadgets utilized by the intended interest group. Cross-stage versatile application advancement in this way is favored more than local applications to arrive at most extreme clients. 5. Choice of technology prior to picking any innovation stage. One should guarantee it is practical inside and out. The eventual outcome should come out strong, usable and exceptionally utilitarian. The most universal stages are iOS, Windows and Android, and they are advancing quickly with regular helpful updates. These stages make it basically workable for engineers to assemble remarkable highlights and great interface to convey exceptional client experience. Picking the right stage implies your applications will be upheld by various gadgets utilized by clients. 6. Security and speed efficiency. Observing the reactions of the application usefulness is considered as the best thought. Doing so disposes of the extent of blunders and at last forms a drawing in and fascinating application. Make it a training to distinguish snags in the current item and improve its norm before it's at long last conveyed. Security issues are possible dangers to clients who will turn into the end clients of the application. Pick a dependable, secure, credible assets and industry standard cycles to assemble the application to guarantee it's profoundly secure. The application your configuration should have the option to capacity and run in the ordinary web climate. Ensure the application stays viable and sound with the goal that clients can get to it constantly. Additionally, the application ought to react in a split second to deal with client demands on schedule. 7. Testing quality and consistency. Testing the application is an essential stage for any designer as it affirms whether the application is prepared to wander into the online application store. An ideal application testing strategy should remember testing for various gadgets of different screen sizes to quantify its presentation and view its similarity. Check its quality and how it shows up on every one of the gadgets. This will help you check if every one of the highlights and usefulness of the application works reliably on all gadgets that clients are probably going to utilize. Aside from this, the engineer should likewise fundamentally keep up the consistency while coding the application to ensure the whole versatile application advancement measure, alongside its documentation and program updates and interface, is certified, reliable and flawless. 8. Introduce a pilot version when the advancement group is certain that they have assembled an all-around tried, develop a completely practical application. They can go for dispatching the pilot item. The course of ideal versatile application improvement should end with the dispatch of pilot variant. It assists designers with getting the criticism and reactions from the clients and judge the accomplishment of the application. You can move toward your associates, loved ones to utilize the application so you can essentially discover provisos assuming any. Their criticisms can be taken and prepared to evaluate the working of its top highlights so you can decide its generally respected and misjudged highlights. At long last, stretch out beyond the opposition, versatile applications are in incredible interest. And undertakings require better face-off applications to speed up the development prospect of their separate business and improve their current working framework. The difficulties are serious and need your talented endeavors. One of greatest difficulties in this space is savage contenders. Along these lines, fire up versatile application advancement organizations should contribute their concentration to convey the profoundly developed and inventive item that satisfies clients, procuring them high ROI. The most ideal approach to advance beyond the opposition is to separate input from specialists who have significant involvement with utilizing or looking into the comparative item. Being associated with the serious IT scene, your application should have something one of a kind to bring to the table and have better run speed, dazzling feel and great availability. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.